Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you iPhone X. I dropped my phone and the camera is no longer working. The front camera, how to fix it, and this procedure will work with the XX, X Max, XR and other various models. Let me show you what I'm seeing right now. If we press the camera is not working. It's not working at all. We're going to power off the phone and I already received the part. So we're going to power off. I have ordered the front camera. The whole assembly, we're going to replace it. And I will list the part number under my description in case if you need one. And these are the tools which you needed to work with your iPhone. Near the charging port, there are two screws. We're going to open those, 1 and 2. One screw is removed, and if you see, screw, but make sure you don't lose them. So now we open the second one. As you see, it's a really long screw. And now we're going to use the suction cup. We're going to place it and press it to create a vacuum. We're going to lift it up. Place the guitar pick right underneath the screen. Pop it open and we put the guitar pick. And now we're going to slide it. And very gently keep sliding. With the guitar pick, with the help of that, or you can use other pry tool, just go all the way around and keep lifting. You can use the other one and just keep lifting. Then turn around and do the same thing. Don't force it. Patiently, you pop it open. These tabs were right there and we used the pry tool and it opened up. So we're going to lift it open like this. Do not pull it hard, otherwise you will break these flex cables. So it's always a good idea when you're working, take out the battery. So there is a screw on the battery. Then there are a couple screws on this side of this bracket and a couple screws on this side. So we're going to open these. So keep it in safe place. So this is the tip where you press it, the screwdriver, then keep turning. That way you don't strip the head. One more time. Put the screwdriver, then press it with the finger and turn it with the other hand. So once all the screws removed, so with the help of tweezer, we're going to lift the plate. So the whole plate comes out. So with the help of pry tool, we're going to lift up all the flex cable connections. First we're going to remove the battery. After removing the battery, it's all removed. Lift the screen up. So this is the new camera. Be careful, don't bend it. These flex cables, just keep it straight like this. This is how the camera going to fit. And the flex cable. If you notice, these three connections at this places. In order to remove those, we're going to lift out the battery. And then lift the battery. So now we're going to remove these flex cables which are sticking to the body. So we're just going to lift it up just like that. So with the help of tweezer, lift up the camera. And this is the old camera. And we're going to get the new camera now. And we're going to put it in reverse order. So once we put the camera, that's the cutout. You just put the camera right there, it will fit in. Lift up the battery and put these flex cable right underneath and put the battery back. Very carefully put the connectors back in to the slot. Make sure they are firmly seated. So we're going to put all connectors back, place these cables back in the reverse order. After putting back all the cables and then clip all the screws into place in reverse order, now I'm going to close it. When we're going to close it, the same thing we're going to do. Press it from the front, then come along all the way. The final step will be putting these two screws back in place. And now we're going to start it and we're going to see if the camera is working. So this is the old camera, we removed it. The phone is starting. Fine. So that's how it's easy to replace your broken camera. And if this video helped you out in any way, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.